Time to find a sitter, let loose, and dive into the ultimate playground for adults. With delicious food, top-notch entertainment, and everything else designed for us. Get ready to unwind and enjoy the perfect escape. Let's get this party started. I'm going to tell you about unique dining experiences, the vibrant nightlife, and stunning destinations that make this type of cruising unforgettable. Watch till the end for a sneak peek at my next video. There's something refreshing about being on an adult-only cruise. You get a sense of freedom to unwind, explore, and truly indulge in the things you love without any distractions. From lounging poolside with a handcrafted cocktail to diving into a night of incredible entertainment, everything is designed with you in mind. Let's talk about the dining experience because let's face it, food is a major highlight on any vacation. On an adult cruise, the restaurants cater to more refined palates, offering an array of international cuisines and gourmet dishes that they feel like they're straight out of Michelin star restaurants. I will say, Virgin Voyages has the best. Just think, no buffets and no kids menus, just world-class meals included in your fare. But cruising isn't just about indulgence, it's also about balance. On my last cruise, I took advantage of Virgin Voyage's amazing wellness programs, from sunrise yoga on the deck to state-of-the-art fitness centers. And don't forget those luxurious spa treatments. Adult cruising lets you maintain a healthy lifestyle while still indulging in the finer things. I said I would tell you about the nightlife. When the sun sets, the ship truly comes alive. Adult-only cruises offer a nightlife experience like no other. Whether you're in the mood for live music, cocktails in the chic bars, or even dancing under the stars at one of the deck parties, there's something for everyone. And yes, there are those famous risque shows Virgin Voyages is known for. But here's the beauty. You only attend what you're comfortable with. There are plenty of other entertainment options for a more laid-back evening too. Of course, no cruise would be complete without breathtaking destinations. Adult cruises offer you more time to explore, unwind, and savor each stop. Imagine snorkeling in the Caribbean, enjoying the beauty of Northern Europe, or charming villages in Southern Europe. So, what do you think? Is an adult-only cruising something you'd want to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you're ready to experience the best of adult-only cruising, contact Infinity Fun and Travel today. We'll help you find the perfect cruise tailored to your preferences, whether it's relaxation, adventure, or a little bit of both. In my next video, we'll explore more adult-focused cruise lines. From boutique luxury to party-filled adventures, I'll give you the lowdown on alternatives to Virgin Voyages, each with something unique for adult travelers. Stay tuned. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my travel hacks.